Clean. To remove dirt or make something tidy. I clean my room every Saturday. She cleaned the kitchen after cooking. Sweep. To remove dust or dirt from the floor using a broom. I sweep the floor every morning. He swept the leaves from the porch. Mop. To clean the floor with a wet mop. I mopped the kitchen floor after sweeping. She mopped the bathroom carefully. Vacuum. To clean carpets or floors using a vacuum cleaner. I vacuumed the living room carpet. He vacuumed the car interior. Dust. To remove dust from surfaces. I dust the shelves once a week. She dusted the furniture in the living room. Laundry. Clothes that need to be washed or have been washed. I do the laundry every Sunday. The laundry smells fresh after drying. Iron. To remove wrinkles from clothes using a heated iron. I iron my shirts before going to work. She ironed the tablecloth neatly. Washing machine. A machine used to wash clothes. I put the dirty clothes in the washing machine. The washing machine finished the cycle. Dryer. A machine used to dry clothes. I put the wet clothes in the dryer. The dryer makes clothes soft and warm. Laundry basket. A container to carry dirty or clean clothes. I carried the laundry basket to the washing room. She emptied the laundry basket after washing. Dishwashing. Cleaning dishes, cups, and utensils. I do the dishwashing after dinner. He prefers hand dishwashing over a dishwasher. Sponge. A tool used for washing dishes or surfaces. I scrubbed the pan with a sponge. She cleaned the table using a sponge. Soap/detergent. Substance used to clean. I use soap to wash the dishes. Detergent makes laundry cleaner and fresher. Trash/garbage. Waste material that needs to be thrown away. Take out the trash before it smells. He collects the garbage every morning. Sweep the yard. Cleaning the outdoor area. I sweep the yard every weekend. She swept the leaves from the driveway. Polish. To make surfaces shiny by rubbing. I polished the shoes before going out. She polished the wooden table. Organize. To arrange things neatly. I organize my wardrobe every month. She organized the books on the shelf. Tidy up. To make a place neat. I tidy up my desk before leaving. He tidied up the living room after the party. Mop bucket. A bucket used with a mop to clean floors. I filled the mop bucket with water and soap. The janitor emptied the mop bucket after cleaning. Cleaning cloth. A piece of cloth used for cleaning surfaces. I wiped the table with a cleaning cloth. She keeps a cleaning cloth in every room.